Good morning, class. Is there any problem in exercise 5.3? Yes. If there is no problem, we can start with exercise. The miscellaneous exercise. It is an important one because the questions which were there in your exercise were very simple. Now, if you will do these questions, then you will find it easier. Clear? So, come to the first question. Come to your first question. What is the first question? Just write down. Evaluate I to the power of 18 plus 1 upon I to the power of 25 whole to the power of 3. I to the power of 18 plus 1 upon iota, this is iota, 1 upon iota to the power of 25, clear? Whole to the power of 3. Now you first calculate I to the power of 18, which is equal to what you can write. I to the power, I told you everything should be in the powers of 4 first. So I to the power of 4, whole to the power of 4 is what? 4 4s are 16, into we can write I square. Can we write this way? I to the power of 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, that is I to the power of 18. Clear? Then plus 1 to the power of 25 will be 1 only. Upon I to the power of 25, again break it, I to the power of 4 to the power of 6 into I to the power of 4 is what? 4 into 6 is 24. I to the power of 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. 24 into I means I to the power of 25 you will have. Whole to the power of 3. So first you solve this. You know what is I to the power of 4 is 1. 1 to the power of 4 will be 1 only. Write down 1 to the power of 4 into I square is what? Minus 1 plus 1 upon I to the power of 4 is 1. 1 to the power of 6 into I whole cube. Now what you can write this as? 1 to the power of 4 is 1 into minus 1. So you will have minus 1 here plus 1 upon 1 to the power of 6 is 1 upon I whole cube. This much must be clear to you. Minus 1 plus 1 upon iota whole cube. Now I told you whenever you are having iota in the denominator, what we do? We multiply it by iota and divide it by iota. Can we multiply and divide it by iota? Yes. So what we will have? Iota square. Iota square is what? In the denominator we'll get iota square, that is equal to what? Minus 1. Iota square will be equal to what? Minus 1. So minus into plus will get what? Here minus iota upon 1 will be iota. So minus 1 minus iota whole cube you will get. Now can we take minus common? Can I take minus common? I'm doing it here. Can I take this one minus common? Yes, minus common 1 plus iota whole cube. Can I write this way? I have taken minus common from here, minus, then 1 plus iota whole cube. Now keep minus as it is. Open the bracket, a plus b whole cube. What it is? A cube. 1 cube will be 1 plus iota cube. Clear? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. 3 into 1 into iota is 3 iota. 1 plus iota. Clear? Is that clear? Now it will be equal to what? Minus sign as it is. Then 1 plus iota cube. What is iota cube? Anyone? Yes, speak up. What is iota cube? Unmute yourself and speak.
Minus 1.
Are you unable to unmute yourself? Yes.
Minus iota.
Unmute yourself and speak. What is iota cube? We have done it so many times. Iota cube. Unmute yourself. I want the answer. Beta, unmute yourself and then only you will be able to.
Minus iota.
Aditya Singh.
Minus iota.
Kalash. Sojal. Mayur. Manas. What is iota cube?
Minus iota.
Yes.
Minus iota.
Minus iota.
Singh.
Minus
Sojal,
iota.
What is iota cube? Speak up, Aanchal.
Minus iota.
Minus iota.
Beta, if you will not speak, how we are going to do it? Yes, Tanishq Malik, what is iota cube? Tanishq Malik, what is the value of iota cube? I told you earlier also, if you remember, iota square is -1, iota cube is minus iota, iota to the power of 4 is 1. These values I ask you to remember yourself, and you can calculate also. So your iota cube is what? Minus iota. So you will have iota cube can be written as minus iota plus 3 iota into 1 will be 3 iota. 3 iota into iota means 3 iota into iota, 3 iota square, that will be equal to -3. Now what it will be? 1 minus 3 will be -2. Minus iota plus 3 iota will be plus 2 iota. Clear? And minus sign outside. So you will get what? 2 minus 2 iota will be your answer. 2 minus 2 iota, this will be your answer. This will be 2 minus 2 iota is your answer. Is that clear? Then come to the next one. Question number 2. Then come to the next question, that is question number 2. It is 1 upon 1 minus 4 iota, sorry, minus 2 upon 1 plus iota bracket, and then again 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota. They are saying write this in standard form. What is the standard form? What is the standard form, anyone? What happened today? Everyone has muted himself. What is the standard form? A plus iota, B is the standard form. So just see, we will evaluate this. How we can do this? First we will solve this first bracket and then we will multiply it. Here. So for solving this bracket, we have to take the LCM. So how we can take the LCM? 1 minus 4 iota multiplied by 1 plus iota. Now 1 into 1 plus iota will be 1 plus iota minus 2 times, this 2 times 1 minus 4 iota. This way only you take the LCM, no? Clear? We will have this multiplied by 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota. Clear? Clear? Now open the bracket, solve the numerator. What you will have? 1 plus iota minus 2. 2 into 1 is 1. So minus 2, minus into minus, plus 8 iota upon, now multiply this also. 1 into 1 will be 1. 1 into minus 4 iota, minus 4 iota, plus iota into 1 will be plus iota. Iota into 4 iota will be 4 iota square, that is minus 4, and minus already is there, plus 4. This multiplied by, again the same thing, 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota, upon 5 plus iota. This much is clear. Then what it will be? 1 plus iota, 1 plus minus 2 will be, these are the common terms, 1 and minus 2, minus 1. So you write down here, this is equal to minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 8 iota plus 9 iota, minus 1 plus 9 iota upon, in denominator what we will have? 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 4 iota plus iota is minus 3 iota, multiplied by 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota. Clear? Now multiply them. Again you just see a minus b, a plus b form is not there. A minus b, a plus b form is not there. So you have to do multiplication as it is. So minus 1 multiplied by these two is what? Minus 3, minus into minus, plus 4 iota. Now this 9 iota multiplied by 3 will be 9 3s are 27 iota, 9 4s are 36. 36 iota square will be what? -1, minus into minus plus 36. Upon denominator, 5 5s are 25, minus 3 5s are 15 iota. Iota into 5 will be plus 5 iota. Minus 3 iota into iota will be 3 iota square, that is equal to -3 and minus plus 3. Clear? Now this will be equal to what? Now you can write this is equal to -3 plus 36. That will be equal to what? -3 plus 36 is what? 33. This is equal to what? 33 plus 27 plus 4 is 31 iota. 31, 33 plus 31 iota in the numerator you will have. 33 plus 31 iota in the numerator, and in the denominator 25 plus 3 is 28. Minus 15 plus 5 will be minus 10 iota. So you have got 33 plus 31, 33 plus 31 iota upon 28 minus 10 iota. Now should I rub this because it will not be visible then? Now I think so you must have written it. So I will rub this only 33 plus will solve this much. I'm rubbing till second step. So what we have got? We have got 33 plus 31 iota upon 28 minus 10 iota. Now can you take something common from the denominator? Yes, I can take common. What I can take common? 2 is the common factor. So can I write here? Let it be like 28 minus 10 iota. So what we will have? What we can do? We can write here 28 plus 10 iota divided by 28 plus 10 iota. You can take common also, then the multiplication will be easy, or you can do what I told you. This is not your standard form. In the denominator we are having iota. In the denominator we cannot have iota. So what we have to do? We have to rationalize it. For rationalizing it, what I have done, 28 plus 10 iota multiply and divided by 28 plus 10 iota. Now you just see the denominator a minus b into a plus b. What it will be? A square minus b square. So 28 square. What is 28 square is 784, and minus b square 10 square is 100, and iota square will be -1. So minus into minus, 784 plus 100 you will have in the denominator. Now come to the numerator, 33 into 28. When you will do it is equal to 924, and 31 into 28 is plus 868 iota. Then 10 into 33 is 330 iota plus 330 iota plus 31 into 10 is 310 into iota square. Then it will be minus 310. So this will be equal to what? It will be equal to 784 plus 100. 784 plus 100 is 884. And in the numerator what you will have? 924 plus minus 310. 924 plus minus 310 is what? 614 plus, now you will have 868 plus 338, 369, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1198 iota. 614 plus 119 iota upon 884. Or one more thing you can do, you can divide the whole by 2. The numerator as well as denominator, you can take 2 common from the numerator also and denominator also. So if you will take 2 common, what you will have? 307 plus 599 iota, 599 iota, 307 upon plus 599. It is not visible clearly. Let me write it properly once again. I'm rubbing this part. So it will be equal to what? This will be equal to, divided by 2 you will get 307 plus 599 iota upon 442. Upon 442. Clear? So this way you can solve only the thing is what, only calculation part is there, nothing else. Do the calculation properly, put the signs properly, negative or positive, then nothing will be wrong. If you will concentrate, nothing will be wrong. It's a big question, but a simple one. Then come to question number 3. Come to question number 3. Now it is solve. Solve means find the value of x. Solve for x. Solve for x. What it is? 3x square minus 4x plus 20 upon 3 is equal to 0. Clear? Now you multiply the whole equation by 3. We can take the LCM 3 here. Clear? So what we will have? We will have 9x square minus 4 3s are 12x plus 20 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Now if I take 3 that side, 3 multiplied by 0 will be what? 0. So I will not write 3 here is equal to 0. I will write directly. This is equal to what? 0. Now you know how to solve the quadratic equation. What it is? Your a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 12, c is equal to 20. Now x will be equal to, a is equal to 9. This is a. A is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 12, c is equal to 20. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Clear? Now this can be written as, what is minus b? Minus of minus 12, that is plus 12, plus minus b square minus 12 whole square is 144, minus 4 times a is 9, c is 20. 9 into 20 upon 2 into a. A is what? 2 into 9. Clear? Now this can be written as, how can we write this? We can write this as 12 plus minus. Now just see what we are having. 144 minus 4 9s are 4ac. 4 into 9 is 36. 36 into 2 is 72. 720. It is 720 upon 18. Is it visible? 12 plus 144 minus 720 upon it is 18. Upon it is 18. Just see, it is clear? Upon 18. Now just see, which is equal to 12 plus minus 144 minus 720 is what? Minus of 576 upon 18. Now, do you remember 576 is the square of what? 24. 576 is what? 24 square. So you can write 12 plus minus 24 iota upon 18. Now the whole thing can be divided by what? Any number. What number it is? Can you divide by 3? 3, 6 are 18, or you can divide it by 6 also. 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18. So this can be written as, I'm writing it here, 6 divide the whole equation by 6 in the numerator also, denominator also, or you take 6 common, whatever you want. If I take 6 common, what I will get? 6 2s are 12 plus minus 6 4s are 24 iota upon 18. So again we'll take 6 common, we'll have 3. Yeah? So this will get cancelled. So what you will get the answer as 2 upon 3. So your answer will be what? 2 plus minus 4 iota upon 3. 2 plus minus 4 iota by 3. This will be your answer. This will be your answer. 2 plus minus 4. It is not 41. It is 4 iota by 3. Clear? Then come to the next question. Question number 4. Is there any problem? Then you can ask in between. Please unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself and ask. Is there any problem? Question number?
No, ma'am.
Z1 is equal to 2 minus iota. Z2 is equal to 1 plus iota. Now they are asking find Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 upon Z1 minus Z2 plus 1 modulus. You have to find the value of Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 and Z1 minus Z2 plus 1 whole modulus. So first what we will do, we will find the value of the numerator separately, denominator separately, then we will find the mod of it. So what we are having the numerator as Z1 plus Z2 plus 1. Find the value separately. So Z1 is what? Put the value 2 minus iota plus Z2 plus 1 plus iota plus 1. So this value is equal to what? 2 plus 3 plus 1, 4. Minus iota plus iota cancel out. So you will get the value. Numerator is equal to what? 4. Then separately calculate Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. It is equal to Z1 is 2 minus iota. Then minus Z2 minus 1 minus iota plus 1. Now this minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled out. You will get what? 2 minus 2 iota. What you will get? 2 minus 2 iota. So what you have this value as? This value can be written as numerator is equal to modulus 4 upon 2 minus 2 iota. This denominator is equal to what? 2 minus 2 iota. Clear? Now the modulus is easy to find. Before finding the modulus, what we have to do? We have to multiply and divide by 2 plus 2 iota, so that what will happen? In the denominator, we should not have iota. Clear? Then only we can find the modulus of it. Here still again we can take 2 common from the denominator. If I take 2 common from the denominator, what we will get? In the numerator 2 and divided by 1 minus iota. Now this 1 minus iota, 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota. If I multiply and divide it by it, what I am going to get? In the numerator 2 plus 2 iota divided by a minus b, a plus b, a square plus b square, a square minus b square actually, but what we will get? Iota square will be minus 1, so a square is 1 minus b square, iota square is minus 1, so plus 1, that is equal to 2 plus 2 iota upon 2. 2 plus 2 iota upon 2. Now this 2 can we take common from the numerator, so what we are going to get? 1 plus iota and 2 will be divided. Clear? This value is equal to, in the numerator just take 2 common. So what you will get in the numerator? 1 plus iota, and this 2 from the numerator and denominator 2 will get cancelled. You will get the value 1 plus iota. This modulus everywhere you have to put 1 plus iota modulus. Now can you find the value of 1 plus iota modulus of it? What we are having? X square plus y square. So it is equal to, modulus of this is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 2. So your answer is what? Root over of 2 is your answer. Clear? Root over of 2 is your answer. Then come to question number 5. Now question number 5 is, question number 5, Z1 is equal to 2 minus iota. Z1 is equal to 2 minus iota. Z1 is equal to 2 minus iota, and Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus iota. Now they are asking find a real part of Z1, Z2 upon Z1 conjugate. Z1, Z2 upon Z1 conjugate, the real part of it. So first we have to find what? Z1, Z2 and Z1 conjugate. So separately we will find Z1 into Z2 will be equal to what? Put the values. It is equal to 2 minus iota into 2 minus iota into minus 2 plus iota. 2 minus iota into minus 2 plus iota. Just multiply it. 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus into minus, plus 2 iota, plus 2 iota, minus into minus, minus into plus, sorry, minus iota square is plus 1, it will be minus 1, so minus into minus plus 1. So this will be equal to minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 plus 4 iota. This is your value of Z1 into Z2. Clear? So you got the first value Z1 into Z2, and then Z1 conjugate. Z1 conjugate is equal to what? If Z1 is 2 minus iota, Z1 conjugate will be 2 plus iota. It will be what? 2 plus iota. Now here we have to find the real part of this. So first we will find Z1 into Z2 by Z1 conjugate is equal to what? Put the values. Z1 into Z2 is minus 3 plus 4 iota divided by 2 plus iota. Now again what we are having in the denominator, we are having what? In the denominator what we are having? Iota.
Iota.
Move iota from here. So what we are going to get? I'm rubbing this Z1 conjugate, I'm writing it on the top. Z1 conjugate is equal to 2 plus iota. Okay. So now for what we will do, we'll rationalize it. What we will do, 2 minus iota in the denominator, 2 minus iota in the numerator, multiply just. So what we are going to get, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, 2 fours are plus 8 iota, minus into minus plus 3 iota, and then 4 into 4 iota square will be minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4, divided by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. A square will be what? 4 minus b square minus iota square minus 1 plus 1. So it will be what? Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 plus 11 iota upon 5. Minus 2
क्या हुआ?
plus,
हाँ.
wait a minute. What we are having, Z1 into Z2, we got minus 3 plus 4 iota, and here we are having 2 minus iota. Just see it again. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6, 2 fours are 8 iota, minus iota into minus 3 is plus 3 iota. Clear? So this will be your, this is your answer. Clear? 8 plus 3. Is that clear or not? Now what is the real part of it? Anyone who can tell? Real part of Z1, Z2 upon Z1 conjugate is equal to what? Minus 2 by 5. This is your real part. This is your real part. And what is the imaginary part? 11 iota by 5 is your imaginary part. 11 iota upon 5 is your imaginary part. Clear? 11 iota by 5 is your imaginary part. Is that clear? Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak up.
Yes.
Is that clear? Nishchal, Bhavya, Savan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay
ma'am.
then. Thank you, class.